Hey everyone, it's time for 2 Minute Tuesday RV tip, and today we're going to talk about keeping your black tank odor-free and running smoothly. And we can wrap that up in 2 words, and that is happy camper. But before I discuss how and why this works, there's 2 things that you never should do. One is never leave your black tank open. If you do that, the water will flow out and the solids will stay in your black tank, creating sort of a pyramid, because the bottom of your flat tank is flat. And the second thing that you should do is never empty a partially full black tank. You should fill it completely up with water and let it all have that water flow to clean it out thoroughly. So now let's talk about Happy Camper. Happy Camper is an organic element. It has 9 trace minerals and 2 elements in it, and what it does is it's good bacteria that starts interacting and eating at the waste in your black tank. And you want to use 1 scoop for every 40 gallons. You can scoop it in, you want to sprinkle it in, you don't want to just dump it in or it'll form a solid chunk. And what we do is we use it every other week in our gray tank also. And it's environmentally friendly. You don't have to put soap or bleach or any other kind of chemicals. This stuff will work and remove your odors. We hope this helped you. And until next Tuesday, have a great week. Bye.